loves, welcome back to my channel. This week is a holiday weekend and I changed this project 3 times. And this is what I came up with because I thought it would be easy, and it is easy. It might be a little time consuming, but it's definitely very easy to make and beautiful. Definitely well suited for baby showers and bridal showers. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. All right, let's get started down here. I know some of you don't have 2 of these, but you can easily make this out of PVC. Just get a thicker one. You'll probably spend about 50 bucks just making a square with PVC. Very easy. One of these days I'll make it, and my thing is that I don't buy things anymore if I'm not gonna use them. Well, I try not to. I usually don't like to add drapes until after everything is done, but in this case I kind of have to. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these pink drapes. They are wrinkle free, and everybody knows these. If you don't know, now you know, and you should get you some in every color because they're fantastic. They're also good as table covers, and I just really love them, and they're very inexpensive in my opinion. Now, this is going to be unpopular, but I'm going to make a little hole right there, and I'm going to place 260 balloons, just one of them, one per side. And I'm gonna tie it right there because that's where I'm going to use fishing line to place the umbrella. Now you're gonna make a stiff line across, and you're going to triple it. I'm probably gonna quadruple it. I'm adding another pole. This one doesn't even belong to this stand. It comes from a photography stand. I'm going to just put it at the back for a little more stability, which means that I'm gonna have to add the drapes in the back. Right now I'm torn between a floral wall or just the drapes, so I'm gonna check and see how the floral wall looks with it. It's very heavy, but the heaviness might help stabilization, so let's see. It's more stable. Yeah, I didn't sip it. Lord. Okay, I can tie it though. Okay, let me zip tie it. Let's do that. Where are the zip ties? I just had them with me. When there's a will, there's definitely a way. I truly believe that. Oh, this fishing line is everywhere. So these 2 poles have holes. You can also get a PVC pipe and just make some holes, but this worked perfectly. This worked perfectly. Love it. It made the entire thing so much stable. Yeah, I mean, still gonna bring it in a little, but it's okay. So cute. I'm glad I got this. I was on the fence, but honestly, Jasmine, my assistant, she was like, you know what, just bring it. You never know. I just didn't want to like carry those things around, but she's like, bring it. You'll regret it if you don't. Let me move on. I'll fix those little details later. This is a beautiful umbrella. I heard you're not supposed to open indoors, but I have no choice. There's a heat wave outside, and right now it's actually raining. Crazy. I'm not going out there. Grab a little piece of 260 balloons. It's honestly a little leftover that was sitting around here, and I'm just gonna tie it. Then you're gonna grab a piece of fishing line and pull it through. Once you have this, you're gonna tie it. Give it about 3 ties. And then you have to decide where you want this to be. I'm going to take pictures, and I'm probably gonna do this, okay? So I want it to be right here. Let's see how that worked. Wepa! Perfect. I guess I can still stand also, although it's meant for a chair, but honestly, I can stand and I love it. Ha! Okay, so next we are going to place the flowers. They're going to look like it's raining flowers. And I'm going to make something that's gonna look like a spider web. And I'm going to start by placing fishing line right here in the middle. where the 260 is, and then I'm gonna bring it to this corner, then back, and you know, in different directions, so I'm able to hang the flowers from there. And now I shall hang flowers, because it's raining flowers. To hang our flowers from the fishing line web, we are going to use more fishing line, and we're just gonna simply tie it. You see that right there? We're gonna tie it to that. We're gonna start in the back. So now I'm starting to place some above the umbrella. Couple to the ceiling, because that's the effect I want. So if you're able to, it will look even better. We'll just imagine it's outside. Now I'm going to add this moss mat right at the bottom, right about here, almost like a rug. I did buy 2 because this one was the biggest size. I can't think of anything else that I can place on here. Ooh, not at the moment. But it will be something like this. Cute, right? I love it. And you can take the chair away, and then you can do it standing. I'm gonna have some pictures in my Instagram and Facebook, so look out for that sometime, you know, at the end of the week. Usually I post those on Thursdays, and on Mondays I post pictures of just the install. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts on this, what I thought it was easy project, and make sure to share with your friends and family members, especially the ones that love to host, but not for this one. This one is for everybody. So make sure to share with everyone. All right, guys, until next time, bye.